Now we go to the other question. Sixth question. What is meant by gravitation? What is meant by gravitation? Suppose a body is there, its mass is m1, and another body is there, its mass is m2, and the distance between these two is center to center, the distance is r. So both the bodies, they will have attraction towards each other. So this body attracts this body like this, and this body attracts this. So both bodies will have there is a force of attraction. This force of attraction between these two massive bodies, massive means more mass. These bodies is called the gravitation. So what is the value of gravitation? Is the force of attraction. Force of attraction between two bodies. Two bodies is called gravitation. What is the force of attraction? That depends upon force of attraction is equal to m1 m2 by r square. G into m1 m2 by r square. This is the force of attraction. We will see in daily life, the earth is revolving around the sun. But always it is revolving around the sun because of the force of attraction between the sun and the earth. And moon is revolving around the earth. That is also because of the force of attraction between the earth and the moon. Okay, now we will see. But how many forces are there? How many forces are there in nature? So each person we will deal very deeply to get the shortest question answers day by day in our regular classes. Now, how many forces are there? How many forces? Fundamental forces. In nature. How many fundamental forces are there in nature? There are 4 fundamental forces in nature. Number 1, gravitational force. Number, electrostatic force. Number 3, weak nuclear force. Number 4, strong nuclear force. So, the fundamental force in nature is gravitational force, electrostatic force, weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force. Gravitational force, as already you have seen the 6th question, that is a force of attraction between the two bodies which are having more mass. The electrostatic force, this is generally between the forces. Next, weak nuclear force, it is between the atom. Nucleus you are having there, that force comes into a weak nuclear force. And strong nuclear force also, it is related to the atom. One by one we can read, and where the conditions apply, we will learn in the regular class. We will learn in the regular class. Next we will go to the other question. So these are the questions. These are the questions we deal in the class. We deal in the class and we will give the shortest and easiest way to answer to save the time and write the questions and answers in correct way. that we will explain each and every in our Kalam Academy. Now, what is it? Work, power, energy. What is the difference between the work, power, energy? What is meant by work? What is meant by work? Work is equal to force into displacement. So W is equal to F. F dot S. So work is the dot product of two vector quantities. So W is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Why scalar quantity? W is equal to F dot S. F is a vector, S is a vector. The dot product of two vectors is a scalar. That we'll teach in the class in vector session. Now, what is the work means? Force into displacement, the F dot S. What is meant by power? What is meant by power? The rate of doing work. The power is equal to work by time. Here for the work, the units are joules. So for power, the units are watt. And what is the energy? Energy means capacity to do work. Two persons they are having. So they are making a running race. Who will win the race? Who is having the energy more? That means who will complete the race in shortest time is having the more energy. So the energy means V. Capacity to do work. That means that work who does in shortest time is having more energy. These tricks, these questions, these answers will explain regular questions and answers. Next we will go. Am I right? So what is meant by light? What is meant by light? We will see. So what is meant by light? Light is a form of energy. What this energy will do in physics, you have to give the definition and the use of the energy. Light is a form of energy, causes sensation of vision. So light is a form of energy, causes sensation of vision. That means it is the energy, it gives us the vision. We can see what is there inside. In front of us, that is the vision. So what are the properties of light? Light is having a property. First one, light moves in straight lines. Number two, first property is light travels in straight lines. Next one is reflection of light. Number three, refraction of light. Number four, dispersion of light. And polarization, so many lights, so many principles. These everything we will deal in the class, and we make you to answer in the NEET examination in very correct way in the given time. Each and every point will be dealt in our institute. Electricity. What is meant by electricity? This is one of the important topic. In it, so many students, they will get confused in this electricity lesson. But in our Kalam, IIT, NEET, economy, we will make you to give more interest and to answer the questions very, very easily without feeling any tension. What is meant by electricity? Flow of energy. Which energy? Electrical energy. Flow of energy, electrical energy. So this electricity mainly it is two types. This is two types. Number one is static electricity. Number two, current electricity. Electricity is two types. One is static electricity, the other one is current electricity. Current electricity. Both we will deal, both the chapter will deal here in a very easy way without making you any tension. So you can understand very easily. What is meant by static? The electricity produced when the charges are at rest. The electricity produced when the charges are at rest. Suppose you are taking two clouds. When the two clouds they touch each other, you will observe a spark. That spark is the static electricity. So what is meant by current electricity? Current means flow. Current means flow. Where the electricity is made in some thermal station or hydro station, there the electrical energy is manufactured or prepared. So from there, the electricity is coming up to your houses. That is, it is flowing. How it is flowing? Flow of energy. That is called current electricity. That is electricity at rest, electricity due to flow. These two also will read very, each and every topic will read precisely in our institute, Kalam Institute. So thank you for all.